Did you know that cybercrime is predicted to cost the world over $10 trillion annually by 2025? As companies scramble to protect themselves, ethical hackers, the superheroes of cybersecurity, are in demand like never before. If you've ever wondered how to turn your tech skills into a lucrative career, this video is your blueprint. Today, you'll discover the exact steps to make money as an ethical hacker and how to position yourself in this high-paying field. Stick around, and by the end, you'll have a clear path to turning your passion for cybersecurity into a thriving income stream. Imagine this. A massive corporation loses millions because of a single security flaw. This scenario happens daily, and companies are desperate to prevent it. They need skilled ethical hackers to find and fix vulnerabilities before the bad guys do. But here's the challenge. Many aspiring hackers don't know where to start, and others underestimate the earning potential in this field. Maybe you've dabbled in programming or cybersecurity, but without guidance, the path to making money as an ethical hacker feels confusing and overwhelming. Today, we're solving that problem, step by step. 1. What is ethical hacking and why it's profitable? Ethical hacking is the art of legally infiltrating systems to uncover vulnerabilities. Think of it as being paid to think like a criminal, but with permission. Companies spend billions annually on cybersecurity, and ethical hackers are at the forefront of this spending. Take Kevin Mitnick, once a notorious hacker turned cybersecurity consultant. Today, he's earning millions using his skills for good. This field isn't just about morality, it's about opportunity. Companies understand that a single data breach can cost them reputations, customers, and millions in fines, making skilled ethical hackers indispensable. If you're wondering about the financial potential, beginner ethical hackers can earn $60,000 to $90,000 annually, with experienced professionals raking in six-figure salaries. The best part? The demand is global, giving you opportunities to work remotely or freelance. 2. Skills needed to succeed as an ethical hacker. To excel as an ethical hacker, you need a toolkit of essential skills. Start with networking. Understanding how data flows through systems is foundational. Next, dive into programming languages like Python, Java, or C++, which allow you to write scripts for testing vulnerabilities. Tools are your next priority. Platforms like Wireshark for packet analysis, Metasploit for penetration testing, and Burp Suite for web vulnerability scanning are must-haves. For example, with Wireshark, you can monitor network traffic and identify suspicious activity in real time. The great news? You don't need a degree to learn these skills. Free resources like YouTube tutorials, cybersecurity blogs, and platforms like Cybrary can kickstart your journey. Commit just an hour a day, and within months, you'll be equipped with the basics. 3. Certifications that boost your earnings. While skills are essential, certifications validate your expertise to potential employers. Start with the Certified Ethical Hacker (CH) certification, a globally recognized credential that proves you understand how to think like a hacker. Next, consider advanced options like the Offensive Security Certified Professional (OSCP), which involves hands-on penetration testing. Why do certifications matter? They can significantly increase your earning potential. For example, a CH-certified individual earns about 44% more than non-certified professionals in the same role. Employers are willing to pay a premium for proof of competency. Investing in certifications might seem expensive initially, but the return on investment is undeniable. Platforms like Udemy and LinkedIn Learning often offer discounted prep courses to help you pass these exams. 4. How to land your first ethical hacking job. The first step to getting hired is building a portfolio. Participate in Capture the Flag (CTF) challenges or contribute to open-source projects. These hands-on experiences showcase your practical skills. Networking is equally important. Attend cybersecurity events, join forums, and connect with professionals on LinkedIn. A direct message showcasing your passion can open unexpected doors. Additionally, entry-level roles like cybersecurity analyst or junior penetration tester are great starting points. Another strategy is reaching out to small businesses and offering free vulnerability assessments. Once you demonstrate your value, these clients often become paying customers. 5. Freelancing as an ethical hacker. If you value flexibility, freelancing is a viable path. Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and HackerOne allow you to connect with clients worldwide. Start by creating a compelling profile showcasing your skills and certifications. Pricing your services can be challenging at first. Research competitors to find a competitive rate and consider offering initial discounts to build a client base. Over time, positive reviews will allow you to command higher fees. For instance, many experienced freelancers charge upwards of $150 per hour. 6. Bug bounty programs, a lucrative opportunity. Bug bounty programs are a goldmine for ethical hackers. Companies like Google, Facebook, and Tesla pay hackers to uncover security flaws. Some individuals earn millions through these programs. To get started, register on platforms like BugCrowd or HackerOne. Begin with smaller, less competitive programs to build confidence. For example, a hacker earned $20,000 from a single vulnerability found on Facebook's platform. With persistence, you can scale your earnings significantly. 7. Building passive income as an ethical hacker. Passive income complements your active hacking projects. Consider creating online courses on platforms like Udemy or Skillshare. Writing an ebook on ethical hacking basics can also generate steady income. Another option is developing cybersecurity tools and selling them to professionals or companies. For instance, a simple tool that automates routine tasks, like scanning for vulnerabilities, can be sold for a recurring subscription fee. These streams add financial stability while allowing you to focus on your primary projects. Becoming a successful ethical hacker isn't an overnight journey, but every step you take brings you closer to financial freedom. Remember, the cybersecurity industry is booming, and there's no better time to start than now. Each skill you learn and every certification you earn is an investment in a lucrative future. As the saying goes, opportunities don't happen. You create them. By taking action today, you're positioning yourself as a leader in one of the most sought-after professions in the digital age. If this video gave you valuable insights, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Tell me which step you'll start with today. And since you've made it this far, I've left some useful links and exclusive recommendations in the description and pinned comment. Now, let's keep the momentum going. On screen, YouTube has chosen the perfect next video for you to watch. Click it now to continue your journey to financial success.